Okweherero okwo kwakorerwa omu mbuga z'Itendero Senior Secondary School omu Itendero District ne Sheema.
Having an independent day, we must be grateful to God for honoring us with such a kind of freedom to take our own decisions, to make sure that we love our country.
So Qur'ani surati ya 13 umuruzungu negira iti verily Allah will not change the condition of a person until they change what is in themselves. So byona babigamba
kuzakola na polisi on contract konka baba anataka kuzakola na polisi babashashura, so people will apply kuzakubahereza umurimo.
Inkareba gishomero in a high degree of tolerance gishomero yitende races. One said you must learn, you must yearn to learn before you earn.
Abanyadiini bashaba abanyabutegetsi obutagaruza eihanga enyima eryarigere. Okweherero okwo kwahwa n'okuhasitira omur n'okushaba. Twaza Rukoni Town Board omu Rukoni West Rahama East District nitungama oku aba Rukoni Senior Secondary School nk'omurundi gumwe gw'okujaguza ekiro ky'independence ab'omurundi gwa 63 abasharamu okuyonja ekyanga kyabo.
Today we are here for a noble cause, meaning trading center. The intention is to give back to the community because they are so supportive and they want to inspire our students such that they bond with the community. And we are also interested, we are also celebrating the Independence Day this time. So we are thanking our parents for giving us the children who are good and disciplined. We want to thank the local community for their being supportive. And lastly, we want to thank the students.
Nashemerwa munonga ahabwa inspection yabo mu mwanya gwitu ya Rukoni Senior Secondary School ahabwo kukirininga trading center yitu twashemererwa kandi cyabakirungi nisima Rukoni Secondary School Management n'abana bishomero nimbasima mwebare kugire mico mirungi mukatuzamburira mukasiga mwabana zitawoni yanyu haruna koru urwamazarwa ga Uganda agankaga ni 3.
The sewage was smelling so bad, but as I talk now, the scent is no longer there. So I'm here. I thank each and everybody who participated.
Abwa TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon.